Yes, the Supreme Court of India said today that it has no power to extend the prison sentence of a minor convicted of the 2012 gang rape of a woman on a New Delhi bus a day after he was released after 3 years in custody. The case shocked the nation and set off widespread protests, which turned a global spotlight on the treatment of women in India. Here's more.
Overwhelmed with anger, masses of people, men and women, took to the streets of major Indian cities on Monday. The trigger? The High Court's announcement that it could not extend the sentence of a minor convicted of a 2012 gang rape on a New Delhi bus who was released a day earlier.
As far as detention is concerned, the court is constrained because there is no clear legislative sanction. In the absence of that, the juvenile cannot be detained.
The youth and 5 other adults repeatedly raped and beat the 23-year-old woman and her boyfriend before dumping them both on a road. The woman died soon after the incident, which shook the entire country and sparked a debate about women's rights in the country. 4 of the adults were sentenced to death, and another hanged himself in prison. However, at 17 years of age at the time, the youth received the maximum punishment allowable, 3 years in jail.
Supreme Court, High Court, Lower Court,
Supreme Court, High Court, Low Court have all given up, so I have no hope left. But I would say that such a decision of the court has given an incentive to crimes and handed a certificate in the hands of such youngsters.
While India is notorious for the high rate of violence against women, it was previously taboo in the traditional conservative country to discuss the issue. Due to the 2012 tragedy, it has become a major concern throughout the Indian subcontinent.